Imagine if you were sitting right beside Edison the day the light bulb was discovered. If given the opportunity to become his partner and knowing what you know today, how fast would you have said yes? Imagine riding shotgun with Ford as he test drove the first car hot off the assembly line, and you had the chance to be a partner with him. Knowing what you know today, how fast would you have said yes? Imagine your part in the creation of television, the internet, or the cell phone. Not as a user as you are today, but given the opportunity to be a partner. Knowing what you know today, how fast would you have said yes? Current events tell the story. In a time of economic instability, never before has seizing control of your own destiny been more critical. As markets have collapsed, as blue chip companies have called it quits, and as Big Brother has infused trillions to jumpstart a broken machine, one person is making a difference. One person is igniting hope. The key who unlocks everything and sets it all in motion is one person. You. It's you who makes the difference. It's you who makes it happen. And it is you who must make the decision today that nothing is going to happen unless you unleash the power within yourself. People everywhere are now taking control of their lives and finding one company to serve as the hinge point to set it all in motion. One company that can ignite the power in you and provides people from all walks of life the access and ability to reinvent business, to revolutionize work, and allow those who are aware the ability to access unimaginable wealth on a global scale. That company is Jeunesse.
I went from a struggling entrepreneur to become a multimillionaire.
You can replace the income that you've lost. You can make supplemental income if that's what you choose to do. It's up to you what you do with it.
2,000, 3,000, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 100,000. You can do it with Jeunesse.
Too good to be true? Hardly. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how the global footprint of Jeunesse is capitalizing on the amazing breakthrough science of adult stem cell research and antioxidant technology. Technologies which venture capitalists and big business are funding to the tune of billions, even in a collapsed economy. When is an opportunity too hard to pass up? When the whole world is talking about it. Now is your time to partner with an opportunity that's creating streams of income at unprecedented levels. And it all starts with you. How fast will you say yes?
The income has provided me with a lifestyle, provided me with nice homes to live in, nice cars to drive, and not struggle.
I'm making more money doing this part-time than my nursing job. So actually, I just resigned on my other job last week.
I was able to literally triple a six-figure annual income.
It's time freedom, it's financial freedom, and just after working a few months in Jeunesse, I have already achieved that.
These people, just like you, have started a business where they control when and how hard they work, creating time to spend with their families while generating lasting residual income.
The residual income was pretty exciting, that I could work really hard today and continue to earn money over and over for the years ahead.
Even I sleep, I still have an income coming. So this is like a continue, every minute, every second, the income is still coming.
Money keep coming in every single week. I don't have no more pressure no more. I don't want to work. That's why I do this business. I work at one time, I get paid for life.
So you can work where you want, live where you want, do what you want, and what could be more exciting than that?
So how are they doing it? By simply offering some of the most sought-after technologies in the market today. First, the Luminesce collection offers state-of-the-art skincare development, including the flagship product, Cellular Rejuvenation Serum. Created with breakthrough adult stem cell technology, this serum works quickly to recapture the youthful appearance by minimizing fine lines and wrinkles while smoothing and firming the skin.
Once you put it on, not only you see improvement, everybody else comments that you look good. You're going to reduce fine lines and wrinkles.
We know that Luminesce is working. I prove it with my dermoscope, and I'm very convinced the stem cell technology in the Luminesce is so safe. It is natural, it is a serum. Aging is something that you cannot stop, but you can postpone it.
All natural and with no side effects, the results from using this serum found within the Luminesce collection have been startling.
People coming to me say, Kim, what happened to you? Did you get something done and your face is glowing? Your complexion seems brighter.
I have seen such an improvement on my skin, and my friends and my family notice it, and that's you know, that's pretty amazing.
It's unbelievable. Within 3 to 4 days, people notice already the difference.
What really surprised me about Luminous is how fast one can notice the changes on their skin.
The second critical technology is delivered by Reserve, a botanical blend of essential antioxidants featuring the profoundly important anti-aging ingredient resveratrol, which nutritional experts are now calling the anti-aging miracle of the century.
Reserve gives you more energy, it increases your immunity, and it decreases the heart attack rate, and it has a whole list of benefits.
Reserve promotes a healthy immune system, increases your metabolism, and also assists in digestion, cardiovascular function, and helps to maintain healthy cholesterol levels.
I am one of those aging baby boomers, and I want to stay young. And when I saw the Reserve, I thought, young on the inside, young on the outside.
The first day, I felt energy, and I feel so, like, wake up.
We have a great gel delivery system. It tastes absolutely wonderful, and that market sector is worth $119 billion, or forecast to be.
I don't know where you can go and have fun and make money at the same time and stay healthy. All of those things are happening right here at Jeunesse.
Both of these breakthrough products are sold only through this opportunity with Jeunesse. The dramatic increase in the multi-billion-dollar beauty and anti-aging industry paves the way for you to realize your dream of lasting financial freedom. This truly is a one-of-a-kind opportunity. The owners of Jeunesse have created 15 millionaires so far and have paid out more than $77 million in distributor commissions. Now it's your turn.
Right now, you can get involved in one of the most incredible breakthroughs in medical history.
We have the opportunity to take this technology to the world, to share it, to educate people, and also to make a lot of money doing it.
At one point, I don't know what to do in my life. Because of this business, it changed everything. I have everything now.
Really, it's a safety net in the world today. Where do you go in your 40s, 50s, and 60s and start over?
I thought at my age, I'm 61 years old, and I needed to find something to rebuild that retirement as quickly as I could. I don't want to work until I'm 70 or 75 years old if I don't have to.
I can make now at least $1,000 a day. There is no guarantee that you can make that much money, but there is a guarantee of possibility.
You get to travel the world, you are your own boss in terms of your timetable, and I just couldn't imagine doing a proper job again.
I have a very big dream to be a millionaire, but I know if I only depend on my regular nursing job, I will never reach there. And now I found Jeunesse.
Don't you deserve more? If you're seeking a real opportunity to enjoy more money, more time, and more freedom, then look no further. Simply get back to the person who offered you this DVD and they'll show you step by step how you can change your life starting right now.
If I could do it, you too can make that change. Because it does take one person to make that decision. So you know what, I want something different. And then go out there and take some massive action. Because I went from a struggling entrepreneur to become a multimillionaire. So if I can do it, so can you.